Winter Club.
Hey, I never agreed to join.
Oh, well, Sayori, where's your friends?
He's our club's newest member.
That's not set in stone.
This is Monika, Yuri, and Natsuki. And you already know me.
Welcome to a meeting. Are you into reading?
No need for being coy.
Wanna prove your uptake?
Have a frightening cupcake and rush to bring a boy.
Time to read some poems. Don't be scared, show 'em. The festival way away.
You can help baking
or
and
reminiscing.
I'll walk all alone today. Maybe we're friends, maybe we're more. How can you love a simple girl next door? I'm just not the type he's looking for.
Hey, Sayori, doing you okay?
I'm having a difficult day.
I'd say you seem pretty lonely.
I wish I could make her green. All she wants are things right the way we think.
She's depressed and stressed, but she's feeling blue, so I don't want Sayori. I ran around you.
Just Monika, just Monika, just Monika, just Monika,
Just Monika, just Monika, just Monika, just Monika. I'm so glad you're joining the Winter Club.
Wait, what happened to Sayori?
Who?
There's no one there, Monika.
Manga is my passion, don't you dare be fashion. And writing that a mess. Maybe you should borrow these until tomorrow. Were you looking at my dress?
Let's go read a story.
What about Sayori?
Let's look up with me and stay. I have a learning piano and a six soprano, and I can't get you out of my head. Can't look away, can't help but blush. Ready to hands and all of my ring crush. Sharp, all of my films break the rush.
Yo, there's something I think you should know. I've never seen you so
Sing and chill and still feeling not sweaty. I don't know, feel my heart is on the place when I love with you and you got reflect. There's a sentiment that can't lose. So my dear friend Yuri is getting the point now. Just Monika, 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 just Monika. Just maybe you know Natsuki is next. I'm the linear too. When the cupcakes are pouring my tea, I only need you to love me.
Wow,
Wow,
that's a lot of
much
Crunchyroll
more
you've been watching. You're really taking advantage of that free birth trial.
Hey, there's no one else on our way. So look at me and just say, right here, my dear, that you love me. And if you sit here till the end of time, 'cause I like this and you're finding mine. And I'm sorry what you meant to see, but I'm no one of my haters, 'cause no one will answer me. Forever, 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 forever. Well, look at the cat right here.
Sayori? You're still in Literature Club?
Of course, I'm the president after all.
Well, Sayori, what's your friend?
He's our newest member. I'm guessing that's not set in stone.
This time, I think it is.
Why don't you join us?
I
was just getting Natsuki here into my favorite horror novel.
Hey, it's not like I like it or anything. So, are you taking home anyone after this?
Just my friend Sayori.
Just Sayori, 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 just Sayori.